Hello everybody. So I'll show you my filtration setup. I've got the HW303B with the UV light, and I have another one, smaller unit. Can't read the number there, sorry. I think it's a 302. So I have dual intakes going into one pipe. I have dual exhaust going into one pipe. The dual intakes go in, they come out, they go into the mechanical filtration, which is all filter sponges and some bio balls. Then we go down, we put in a valve, we put in a splitter, we put in a very good high quality valve so that we can fill and drain the aquarium from a pipe down here. We don't need to go to the top of the tank. We don't need to go up here and to do any type of water changes except if you want to vacuum out the gravel. We could do everything from down here because we can push and we can pull water out of the bucket. One other added safety device I put in are these nice little water leak alarms. Because I put these in a bucket, I put the alarm underneath, set the alarm up there. If a leak happens, it will let me know. With this aquarium stand, I've put some LED lights. I have acrylic handles on top of my tank to go with the acrylic setup. Then this filter here, which is a much bigger filter, this is all biological. This technically should never really have to be cleaned for maybe years. This is all full of ceramics and some other materials that will provide the proper biological filtration that's needed to support all the fish life in the aquarium. This is extreme overkill, I know, for a 55-gallon tank, but it works out real nice. I like it because I don't need to worry about it. I can maintain that filter and not disrupt the biological life in this filter here. So the first filter is the small one, which will be cleaned from time to time, and this big one should never really have to be cleaned. These water alarms, very simple. I believe I got 2 of them on Amazon for $10. It's a very good filter. I've been running these type of filters for a very long time, years and years and years, without any problems. If I plug, technically right now I only have this motor running the entire system. One motor running the entire system, and you can see it has plenty of outflow for the water current, to provide water current. I also have a skimmer because of the plant life. I'm going through some molting processes right now with some plants, so the skimmer's helping to collect a lot of that. I'm only running one motor right now. If I run both motors, it really pushes out a lot of pressure, and the whole system, the way I design, is one motor can technically run the whole tank. So if something goes wrong with one, I still have another one. All I have to do is plug it in. When I'm doing water changes, I could unplug this one, or I should say, you would unplug that one because you're just blowing water out, then turn off that valve, then you're sucking water up and into the tank for refilling. The aquarium is still basically being set up. We've got our cherry shrimp in there. You've got all our live plants. And there's a cherry shrimp doing his thing. There's some guppies. We're going to put a whole bunch of hill stream loaches in here to help handle any algae issues. We've got our tea something light fixture that I really love. Our heater from Co-op, wonderful item, works out really well. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this little setup of what I've done. Thank you.